Hi everyone, today I want to introduce you to a new plugin, MultiEvents for Rust. This is a plugin that allows you to set up custom events on your server configure when they start, how often they repeat, and what rewards will be given to players for participating. Right now, the plugin comes with 7 events. You can remove the ones you don't need or add your own via the API. Currently, not many event developers support API integration, but we encourage every developer to do so. Let's now take a closer look. I've already installed the plugin and given myself admin permissions. We join the server and type the command events. The first thing we see is a list of the 7 basic events you get when purchasing this plugin. Let's quickly check each of them. CollectionResources. Each event already comes with a description, so no one will be confused about what to do during the event. You can pause the video and read them if you want. We can manage events, start them, or end the current one if necessary. This feature is only available to admins. You can run several events at the same time. There is also an in-game UI for editing. You can modify the content in the event card without going into config files. That's really convenient. FoundationDrop, a very interesting event that I think your players will really enjoy. Helicopter in this event, points are awarded for damaging the patrol helicopter. HuntAnimal, I don't think this one needs much explanation. Next up, KingOfHill, a PvP event where the player needs to capture the highest point to win. Then we have LookingLoot within the given time. You need to collect as much loot as possible from crates and barrels. And finally, the 7th event in the base pack, SpecialCargo, a thrilling mission where a random player is chosen to deliver valuable cargo across the map while avoiding others trying to intercept it. We will be adding more events over time. Development is ongoing, so in the future, you can expect lots of new events. Feel free to suggest your own event ideas on our Discord server. We'll be happy to see your feedback and suggestions. Next, tab the reward storage. Here you'll find rewards for winning events. Right now, the default config settings are used. I'll show you how to change them a bit later. Rewards are given out automatically after an event ends and are stored here. The player can claim them whenever they want. And on the last tab, we have the leaderboard, where players can compete with each other. This helps a lot with engagement. In the end, you get a tool that visually and technically unifies all your server's events. It's very convenient and makes setting up events much easier. That's for server owners. As for the players, they get a bunch of new activities and excitement from competing. I'm pretty sure they'll enjoy it since everyone's already tired of the standard events. And here we also have a leaderboard and prizes for victories, and who doesn't like rewards? Now let's move on to setting up the plugin and take a look at the configuration files. Honestly, it's all pretty simple, and in most cases, you'll only need to change the time intervals, how often events happen, and what rewards they give. Of course, if you have more experience, you can dive deeper into the config and fine-tune every part of the interface, set everything up just the way you want. Nothing limits you here. In the main file, multievents.json, you set the timing. In the event configs, you can set up rewards. These can be items or commands. For example, if you want to give a chat role or access to a kit, I'm sure you've done this before, so it shouldn't be a problem. But if you run into any difficulties, don't worry. You can always contact support in our Discord and get help with your issue. That's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or join our Discord. See you soon. Bye.